Surrogacy is a reproductive arrangement between a woman, that is surrogate, and another woman that cannot conceive or carry a pregnancy. So a surrogate mother carries and delivers the baby for another woman that cannot carry a pregnancy. So it's like borrowing a womb for a woman that cannot carry a pregnancy. The baby is genetically yours, but the womb is borrowed with love. If you want to know more about surrogacy, keep following us. We will post all the queries about surrogacy.
Banang penklan yang kerukom ajing sumar ke bapaka ban penpoi syakitan nong kendong na kabita kejing mentoy ki Paidbah. Na kaliang Landmark Foundation rengkat bat ka Society for Action in Community Health SACH. Hak arpu pratrik urempang arajar arpun Rio kilaplat Paidbah ay kawika kali sumarpang belajar kertenggong ke Health on Wheels lania ka Mobile Medical Unit. Kajing temu jangka Landmark Foundation bat ke SACH banwara dengan projek na kabenta ki arpu teligi Shnong nong kendong haga distrik RiBhoi. Kalong kenang bagi lat jing sumar ki belong na kabenta ki long tumegi ba armet ki kelong kena bekirang ba onla ban penpoi shikini ki Shnong ki bajengai. Na ki jaka sumar Paidbah. Bat bayan la ban poi ru hakapor ke babiang. La plat Paidbah ia kani kakali Mobile Medical Unit dau Dr. Celestine Lengdo UMLA Umsning constituency Kumukongsan. Haga jingan lang Principal Secretary ke Sarkar Jela Usampat Kumar. Nata gajinan lang ke Sweta Monjal ke Chief Communication bat CSR Officer ke Landmark Pharmaceuticals KP Rajandran bat kiwe-kiwe. Nagaliang u Dr. Celestine Lengdo habakira nagani gesni ulapan pawe ke jingkemen halor kene ke project jangini kenhon. Ban penjan ya kilat jing sumar ki Paidbah aki tanong kendong. Ki bakam paji na ki jaka sumar Paidbah bat kitu ki bawan nagi long gieng ki badok. Ki ban long shisha ke jingker kui ki Paidbah ban yo kilat jing sumar ki bapaka. Ulapan pauru ke jing sngongo ya ke Landmark Foundation bat ke SACH bagi la syeme kene ke senjam daga baong ru bakane ke Mobile Medical Unit kan wanra ya ki jing mentoy shibon ya ki Paidbah.
This will really bring a lot of changes in the facilities that we provide to our villages. When I think as a doctor, we find that most of the diseases that reach into complications is because we fail to detect them at the early stage. Let's take diabetes. If a proper screening is done at an early stage, we can always avoid the renal failure. We can always avoid the retinopathy, and so on and so forth, the complications that comes out of diabetes. So this is an opportunity for our general public and villagers in a special way to get themselves checked. And I'm very delighted to hear that Madam Shweta has mentioned that this machine will have, not Madam Shweta, Master Rajendran, I think, that this vehicle will be having basic pathological tests, ECG machines, and the other common tests that can be provided to the people. So I look forward to the changes, as our Principal Secretary has said. If this gives good results, it can be replicated in different areas of the state. To know that this Health on Wheels will be covering 15 villages every week. That itself is a very reassuring statement, which goes a long way into providing care to our general public.